Dear children, in previous video I just explained your what is some two-dimensional shape and three-dimensional shape and types of 3D shapes like your cube, cuboid, then cylinder, cone, sphere, and how many faces, edges of this, the net diagram, how to draw the net diagram of cube, cuboid, cylinder like that. Okay, so and a little bit about your ideas about prism and your pyramid. Okay, so here just clearly just explain the about prism and pyramid. Detailed study of prism and pyramid. Okay, prism. What is prism? I already just told you two bases, two congruent shapes. If they join, then makes a prism. Then it is the base that prism named after its base. Okay, so let the solids. Just I make a table: rectangular prism, square prism, triangular prism, pentagonal prism. Suppose hexagonal prism like that, octagonal prism like that. Because their base is octagonal shape, this top and bottom both octagonal. Then you just join the vertices of these two figures. Clear? So rectangular prism. Rectangular prism like almost your cuboid. Okay? Because all the faces are your rectangular shape. That's why this is rectangular prism. Okay. So how many faces? Like your cuboid, this is 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay. Then square prism, this is a shape of cube. Okay. So it is also 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Then triangular prism. First you draw a triangular prism. The triangular prism is your two base and top and bottom both have same congruent triangles. So you join both the vertices. Okay, so this is your triangular prism. Now you find out how many faces, how many edges and how many vertices. So here 2 and 3, 5 faces. Clear? Then edges, here 3, 9 edges. And how many vertices? 6 vertices. Because 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6 vertices. Then pentagonal prism. So pentagonal prism, then we have base and top. Both are pentagonal shape. That means 5 sides. So 5. So how many faces? Your 5 plus top and bottom 2 faces. 7. Okay, your 7 face is your 7. Then edges. Here 5 plus 5 10. Then here 5 15. Clear? Okay, let me draw the pentagon. Two pentagonal circle shapes, then you join like that. This is your pentagon. So 7, then how many vertices? This is 5 plus 5, 10 vertices. Okay? Your 5 faces, 5 sides, 5 vertices, top also 5. So 5, 10 vertices, then 1, 2, then 5 faces. So 7 faces, then 15 is your edges here 15. That means bottom 5, top 5, then the sides of the joining lines here 5. So 15. This is all about your prism. This is, you know that the base different, the prism named after its base. Similarly, now come to your pyramid. What is pyramid? Pyramid is in all the triangular shapes in one point with base, one shape, then you join the base in one point. So that's why these are the shapes of the triangular shapes. Clear? Suppose in one point, suppose this is your join. Yes. Okay, so this is your pyramid. All are the triangular faces except your base. Okay. Now one more thing. Number of, just you remember this one. Number of vertices and faces in a pyramid are equal. In a pyramid, number of faces and number of vertices are equal. Suppose now faces in triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, this means triangular shape. We join one point, that means here above. We join these points, these triangles to this. Okay? So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many faces? 4 faces. Then, and vertices also 4. Then what is the edges? 3 and 4, 5, 6. Clear? So 3 in base your 3 edges. Then you join 3 from to the 3 to the point. That means 1, 2, that 3. That means 6 edges your 6 and your vertices also 4. 1, 2, 3, then 4. So number of faces and number of vertices are equal. Then rectangular pyramid, suppose you rectangular face you join 1 like that. So rectangular means this has 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bottom is your 5. So 5 faces. Okay. Then also vertices also 5. Now edges. In rectangular means 4 edges. Then you join 4. 8. Okay. So rectangular pyramid. Now pentagonal pyramid. Just you will find out like that. Pentagon means your base is your pentagon shape. You join the one point, that means you have 5. Pentagon is 5 plus your 1, 6. Clear? So your faces is your 6, vertices also 6. Then your edges is your 5, this is your 5, 10. Clear? You do this one. Then this is a formula. Face is your sides plus 2, vertices is your sides into 2, and edges is your side into 3. Just prove it in triangular prism. In triangular prism, we are in rectangular prism. Faces, sides is plus 2. Rectangular sides plus 2. Sides plus 2. Sides, how many sides? Rectangular is your faces is your 4 plus this one 2. 6. Vertices 4 into 2, 8, and edges, your edges is your 4 into 3, 12. Okay? Like that. This is the formula prism and pyramid. You just remember this. If you do not know, you do not find out, then you use this one. Now come to your polyhedron. What is polyhedron? You know the polygons joining two polygons. Okay, the faces are some faces and the straight edges. The polyhedron has straight edges. Like that, cylinder, cone and sphere are not the polyhedrons because they have curved edges. Okay. Now regular, this is already in previous video I explained nicely polyhedron. You just look this one. Regular octahedron. What is octahedron? Octahedron means 8 faces. Clear? So regular means all triangular faces are equal. 8 equilateral triangles, 4 of which meet at a vertex. Like that. So you can draw like that. If a square pyramid is joined to square pyramid. Like that. This is your octahedron. If all faces are equal, this is your regular octahedron. vertices, then 12 edges. This one here 4, 4 and 4. This is 4, 4, 4. 12 edges and 8 faces. Here 4 and 4. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, and this is 8 faces. You join two square pyramid, 4 and 4, 8 faces. So 8 faces, because this base is your joining. That's why this is one face. No, that's why only 8 faces. So 8 faces, 12 edges, and 6 vertices. Now Euler's rule. Euler's mathematician just discover or found the formula of the solids, like F plus B is E plus 2. That means faces plus vertices is equal to edges plus 2. You can prove, is it true or not? Suppose in case of triangular prism, your faces is your 5 plus vertices is your 6, okay, is equal to edges is your 9 plus 2. Here 5 plus 6 11 and 9 plus 2 also 11. That means this is satisfied. This is also correct. This is your Euler's rules. Euler's just found about the solids. The rule of the formula of Euler's. Okay. Using Euler's rule, if faces given, vertices given, you have to find out the edges also using the Euler's rule.